the president's just acting like a gentleman na lang talaga, to say, you never say never, no? Quote unquote, never say never when it comes to the
And sometimes,
reconciliation.
You may suspect also na he's being prudent, washing his hands clean of any misdeeds against Sara Duterte also. Kasi parang, parang kung somehow logical, parang he is orchestrating. He's behind the...
That
maybe.
Not exactly no. Pero probably, pwede.
Parang yung mga sinasabi niyang impeachment daw is just a tempest in a teacup. Parang it's just moro-moro lang. Sino niloko mo?
Pero yun nga for me, yung pag-confirm, pag-confirm ng Malacanang and by the president na he himself reached out to the lower chamber of the of Congress to not proceed with any
impeachment. Meron na nga pinafile ng impeachment
Yun nga, pero still yung move pa rin ng ating presidente to say na wag na kasi
very diplomatic.
Very diplomatic.
Very diplomatic, very showbiz.
Pero there's a power move Talagang he made sure to include sa isang portion ng message na yon na
wag.
Wag because Sara is not important in the grander scheme of things. Sinabi niyang ganun.
Ang tawag diyan,